Adventure seekers and camera fans, get ready, because the GoPro Max 2 is about to turn heads. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions. Smart move! It might just be your new best friend out there. Forget those weak selfie sticks that wobble and make your videos shaky. The Max 2's grip looks tough and comfortable, like it's been working out and is ready for anything. Maybe it's a supercharged invisible stick, or a handy tool with a built-in battery, or even a tripod all in one. Whatever it is, it's clearly built to handle all your adventures. One leaked photo shows the Max 2 spinning so fast that the background turns into a dizzy swirl. This isn't just a neat effect, it's GoPro showing off some serious tech power, hinting at better stabilization or high-speed 360 capture. Imagine flying down a mountain bike trail or zooming on a roller coaster, but your video stays smooth and clear like butter. No more shaky, headache-making clips, just pure cinematic magic. And here's another cool leak. Someone on a high ropes course, helmet on, harness tight, holding the Max 2 while wearing a GoPro on their helmet. This tells us two things. The Max 2 isn't meant to replace your main camera, it's the perfect sidekick. It's great for catching behind-the-scenes shots, wide views, or fresh angles you didn't even think of. Plus, that same textured grip shows up again. Looks like it's part of a new official accessory. All right, let's get into the tech stuff. The original Max's 2025 update, honestly, kind of boring. Mostly just a shiny touch-up on the 2019 model. But the Max 2? Now that's a whole new level. The big star here is the centered lenses. Why is that important? Because it cleans up those annoying stitching lines in 360 videos, making the invisible selfie stick effect look smooth and flawless, like magic. And get ready for this. The resolution is jumping from 5.6K to a stunning 8K. Maybe even with higher frame rates, so your videos will look crisp and amazing. Especially after DJI's Osmo 360 impressed us with 8K at 30 frames per second for 100 minutes straight without overheating. If GoPro can match or beat that, it's a huge win for creators everywhere. And now, one leaked image shows the Max 2 getting blasted by a fire hose level water spray, probably from a Ford truck. Yeah, it's that intense. This isn't just a splash, it's a total soaking that screams waterproof out of the box, no bulky housing required. With rumored waterproofing of 10 meters or more, this camera laughs in the face of rain, rivers, or accidental cannonballs. Bring it on. So, what's the bottom line? The GoPro Max 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement. For creators who crave crisp, stable, jaw-dropping 360 footage and gear tough enough to survive every wild adventure, this might just be the ultimate sidekick. The countdown to launch has begun. Get ready, because the Max 2 looks absolutely epic. So, there you have it. The GoPro Max 2 is shaping up to be a game-changer for anyone who loves capturing life in action. With its rugged design, powerful new features, and smart upgrades, it looks ready to take your adventures and creativity to the next level. Keep your eyes peeled because the official launch is just around the corner, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Get ready to grab your Max 2 and start filming like a pro.